Hi friends, welcome back to Raksha And Rhia world. In this video, we are going to see about World Book and Copyright Day. How many of you have read books like myth, novel, fiction, biography, drama, history, poems, non-fiction, etc.? But have you ever tried writing books? Do you know how many steps are there to write a book? Many people have written and published them. Every 23rd of April is celebrated as World Book and Copyright Day. Why is it celebrated? The focus of the day is to promote reading, publishing, and copywriting. World Book and Copyright Day celebrate all things book-related: writing, reading, translating, and publishing. World Book and Copyright Day are observed by millions of people in more than 100 countries, in hundreds of voluntary organizations, schools, public bodies, professional groups, and private business. Books are not only of one type. There are many genres of books. Let's see them. Literary and fiction, mystery, thriller and suspense, science fiction and fantasy, business and money, children's books like novels, biographies and autobiographies, and fantasy. What kind of books is read the most? Over 2.75 million people read literary and fiction. About 1.60 million people read mystery. 1.38 million people read science, fiction, and fantasy. 1 million people read business and money. 0.97 million people read novels. 0.96 biographies and autobiographies. 0.76 million people read fantasy. Why is fantasy read by fewer people? Now let's see the advantages and disadvantages of reading fantasy books. Advantage: engaging with fantasy can stimulate creativity and boost vocabulary. It may help us develop better self-regulation skills. Now let's see the disadvantages. Fantasy as a genre pulls the reader the further away from reality out of all of the genres. It involves magic, sorcery, creatures, swords, horse riding, and castles. Some readers living in the world of cars, computers, and iPhones can't relate to the horse and carriage world. Why are fiction and literature read by more people? Let's see the advantage. Reading literary fiction helps people develop empathy, theory of mind, and critical thinking. When we read, we hone and strengthen several different cognitive muscles. Let's see the disadvantage. For decades, novels were considered light reading because readers didn't take away knowledge or moral instructions from the book. They just read for the fun of it. Reading novels didn't, in theory, exercise the brain and so left through process of decay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Raksha And Rhia World and give us a big thumbs up.